No Amanda slander will be tolerated here. Truth tellers, come on to the front. This is for you. So how many of y'all watched the Club Shay Shay interview and sided with Amanda Seales? You, my friend, might consider yourself to be the sage, and I'm going to show you how this brand archetype is embodied through real life if you're wondering how you can humanize your brand and really bring your own ideas and concepts to life. Because it's very important for us to see these real life examples of people already doing the things in their community and how they present themselves, so you can identify how you can turn around and do the same thing for your own community. The Sage's main purpose is to help people feel stronger through learning, through spreading awareness and pushing for good change all the time. They really believe in the knowledge that they're spreading, and them being honest is going to make the world a fair and better place. They are helping people learn and understand by sharing these important insights and truths. That's why you got to appreciate these people when you see them in your community. Their platforms are used to make people think and challenge general ideas from the public and make good things happen through the knowledge that they're sharing and empowering people to seek that knowledge for themselves. The things that the Sage believe in most: it's important to be wise and knowledgeable all the time. Authenticity and truth telling, they're going to do that all the time. Empowering people through education, it makes them feel more capable to do their work. And becoming more intelligent and just becoming a better person is important as well, while also making sure that things are fair and equal for everyone. If it's not, you're gonna hear it from the Sage. This personality that comes off from the Sage is always gonna be about spreading that truth, spreading that wisdom, and helping other people learn as well. Hoping that this is going to inspire more people to be wise and to question things and make the world a better place. What makes the Sage stand out is the fact that they challenge the status quo all the time. This always sets their brand apart. They always relate to being genuine, growing intellectually, empowering others through their knowledge, and setting a high standard to be authentic and spread enlightenment. And of course, celebrities are Amanda Seales that represent this brand archetype. But if you know more, please list any local celebrities or influencers in your community that you think represent this in the comments. And still going on with this theme, the Sage essence is all about seeking that wisdom and helping other people feel stronger at the end of the day, because they feel that education and that honesty is really going to make good things happen. Here are some of their strengths. They have very interesting ideas and views that really make you think. They empower others through their education and awareness. They're standing up for fairness all the time, social justice and equality, equity. They are encouraging people at the end of the day to be smarter and better, grow intellectually, and improve themselves. They want people to be thinking critically and challenging different assumptions that we were taught to believe in, and to think for yourself. And they are out here using their influence to amplify very important messages and advocate for change. There are some struggles and some blockages that the Sage will have as well. Usually they're dealing with disagreements and criticism all the time. As you can see with Amanda, they are usually finding their balance between learning and getting more knowledge and taking care of their own emotional well-being as well. They have this constant battle of overcoming this resistance to challenging uncomfortable truths. As you can see, Amanda talks about in the interview about how she always protected people, and she used that platform to finally tell her truth. As a Sage, you're going to have to also realize that people are most likely going to be attracted to the negative. It's how we were brought up in this country. We thrive off of trauma most of the time. So you have to come to the realization that people don't want to hear your truth. They don't want to hear that. They are going to defend their trauma. So there's real life examples of the Sage archetype in the things that you can produce in the real world. You can host educational talks and shows that continue to bring this awareness and have these discussions like Amanda Seale's Small Doses podcast and her comedy specials. You can use your platform to advocate for social justice and equality and always provide resources and insights to continue to empower the people. This is how you know your people as a sage, though. Your people are always going to accept that knowledge that you're putting out. They're going to want you to share those thought-provoking insights because most likely they're on a similar journey. They want to learn more, and they're drawn to that influence that you have to educate and challenge these truths. They appreciate you saying the things that people actually think. Do you resonate with the sage archetype? Let me know in the comments. And let me know what other celebrities and influencers you enjoy. And I'll continue this series showing you different ways that you can humanize your brand. And don't forget to follow your favorite brand and content strategists. And click that right there. And I'll see you in the next video.